Welcome to Seis Pack. This video will show you how to assemble the Seis Pack Spinner Rack. There are 6 main steps: unpacking components, connecting the base, assembling the spinner plates, inserting the peg hooks, connecting the header, and displaying the merchandise. We've included all the components necessary to properly assemble the spinner rack. You'll need to have a set of pliers handy for use during assembly. Refer to the enclosed instruction guide for written details. Let's get started. Carefully open the box and remove the components to ensure all pieces are included. These items include 4 collars, 2 spinner plates, 1 base, 10 peg hooks, 2 nuts and bolts, 1 pole, 1 header. You are now ready to assemble the spinner rack unit. Begin by identifying the bottom of the pole marked A. You will connect this end to the base unit. Connect the pole to the base unit using the enclosed nut and bolt assembly. Hand tighten the wing nut and use pliers to secure the wing nut in place if needed. You are now ready to assemble the spinner plates. You will use the 4 collars and 2 spinner plates to complete this assembly. Slide the first collar over the pole with the wide side of the collar facing up. Align the top side of the collar with the line marked A. Hand tighten the screw and use pliers to secure the collar to the pole. Slide the first spinner plate over the pole with the flat side of the plate facing up. Place the plate on the secured collar. Slide the second collar over the pole, this time with the wide side of the collar facing down. Repeat these steps for the second spinner plate assembly at the line marked B. Insert the peg hook into the T-opening on the header board with the hook tip facing up. Carefully push the flat end of the hook into the opening and pull up to secure the hook to the board. Then push down and lock the hook in place. You are now ready to connect the header. Insert the base of the header board post into the top of the pole base unit. Connect the post to the pole using the enclosed nut and bolt assembly. Hand tighten the wing nut and use pliers to secure the wing nut in place if needed. The Seis Pack Spinner Rack assembly is complete. You are now ready to display the merchandise. Proper front and back placement of the merchandise is important. The back of the Seis Pack gift box shows a UPC block and should always be displayed facing toward the rack. The front of the Seis Pack gift box should always be displayed with a hang tab hook facing to the left. The Seis Pack Spinner Rack is now complete. Go to seispack.com for more information.